Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shika. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today's video will be a paycheck cash stuffing for August 13th. If this is your first time watching my video, please make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe down below. So I paid a few things. Sorry. So my Central Hudson bill is my electricity bill, excuse me. So I pay that. These are hospital bills. These are going to be paid from a different account that I have through work. So it's like a flex spending account. So that's what will be taking care of that. The Victoria's Secret I paid, Target I paid, and this is for a Royal card, but this is for Royal Caribbean. I used my card. Then I had a leftover of $683.43, which I brought down. I'm going to stuff gas with 80. I'm going to stuff self-care with 90. Household with 25. Miscellaneous with 25. And then we're going and the balance was $463.43. Then we're going to bring that up here. And then I just decided to do 60 for everything. That totals 420 at $43.43. I'm going to put 20 in the 52-week challenge and 20 in my penny challenge. So if you would like to see me stuff these cash stuffing, please stay tuned. Thank you. Okay. So for the first one, it will be gas. And we said gas would get 80. So that will be 20, 40, 60, 80. So how's everybody week going? I'm praying that everybody's week is going well. My week is actually going pretty good so far. I just thought of something. I got to make change because I don't have 5s and 10s, but that's okay. So next one is 90. So we go 20, 40, 60, 80. Here's the 20 for that. Let's see if I have change in self-care. No, I don't. Let's see what I have. Oh, I got some money in home. What's this one? Household. So, nope, I only got 20s and 1 5 there. So that won't work. Nope, that's not gonna work. Alright, so let's go here. I'm gonna pull from the 52-week challenge. And I'm just gonna make change. So I got four 5s, and then I took the 20. Place that back in here. Alright. And then this was for self-care. Here's the self-care envelope. 85.90. Let's just count it again and make sure it's correct. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So $90 for self-care. Alright, my household is 25. So we will take 20 and 5. There we go. So we add 25 to it. And then the next one is miscellaneous. And that one gets 25 as well. Alright. If you watched the video to this point, please make sure you like the video. And then make sure you leave me a comment below. And if you don't want to put a comment, put one of your favorite emojis down below. I'll put my favorite emoji on the screen when I edit the video so that you can see what my favorite emoji is. Now we're going to move on to Christmas and our vacation, birthday, car maintenance, once a month, back to school, and once a year bills. And those are our sinking funds. Okay? So Christmas gets 60, 20, 40, 60. Birthday gets 60. Vacation gets 60. I know the last video I said that I was going to be not filling this up no more, but I'm going to keep filling it because I want to go somewhere else. And we did go to Maryland, and we had a nice time. It was a nice couple of days to get away. So we had a really nice time. Back to school gets 60. I'm just doing this because I'm in school and my daughter's in school, and I need a computer. And I do have the $1,000 that I saved already, but in case we need something else, I want to have it. Once 1 month ahead, it's $60 as well. Alright, go in. There we go. Car maintenance also gets 60, 20, 40, 60. And I will have 2 videos coming up soon, which one of them will be my second quarter update, and then a sinking fund video update and what I'm doing with my sinking funds. Okay, the next one is once a year, my once a year bills. I do have to use this month because my Amazon was taken out, so I have to pay my credit card to, so you know it's even. I meant so that I can pay the credit card off. Okay, so this gets 60, 20, 40, 60. And if you do your math right, sorry for hitting the camera. If you do your math right, I always say that you should have a zero-based budget at the end. Okay? So all of our sinking funds are done. All of our everyday envelopes are done. Now we're on to the last 2, which is our challenges. And we're only going to be doing 2 of them this time. So we're going to put 20 in the 52-week challenge. There we go. I got to fix this off camera. That's my 52-week challenge. And then 20 for my penny challenge. So if you watched the video to the very end, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thank you so much for watching the video to its end. And I want to say thank you again and again and again. Thank you for all the support that I've been getting on my channel lately. I want to say it's greatly appreciated. And if you like my video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you remember to hit your favorite emoji down below. Until next time, YouTube, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day. Bye.